Good morning from Long Beach, California. Today's adventure brings us to Belmont Shore here in the city of Long Beach. And we're over here at the former Belmont Pier. It was renamed in 2005 to the Belmont Veterans Memorial Pier. Off in the distance you can see one of the big cruise ships. And out in the distance there you have some of those islands that are used for petroleum production. Over there is the Belmont Brewing Company. Off in the distance, you have the Spruce Goose, Queen Mary, and the Vincent Thomas Bridge. And then downtown Long Beach is right over there. Aquarium of the Pacific. Pier is pretty old. Looks like recently the ledges here to go fishing have been replaced. Used to be made out of splintered wood. It's a nice little upgrade. The last remodel I think was in 2012, where they revamped a lot of the things here, cleaned it up, put new lights in, new bathrooms. Actually a decent little fishing pier. Catch different things like sardines, mackerel, kingfish, croaker, all the stuff you're really not supposed to eat, but it's still fun. Currently sunrise. That there is facing east. Can't really see it this morning, but off in the distance sometimes you can see Saddleback Mountain from Orange County there. Water's not the cleanest. It's part of the breakwater that's out there. You can't really see it, but there's a nice rock wall out there that keeps the waves from getting really big over here. And it's currently the red tide, even though type of algae that lives in the water right here that's not really good for anything right now, but in general the water tends to be kind of a brownish greenish color here anyway. Not too sure how often they service this pier anymore. They used to hose it down almost every day, but of course budget cuts and all. It's currently low tide as well. We look down, see some of the pilings, exposes the mussels there. That's the newer bathrooms that were put in about 10 years ago. bonita sometimes come through. And occasionally you'll catch a proper size sand bass. Once in a blue moon, the barracuda will come through here too. Looks like this is currently out of service. $20 to $30 years ago, there used to be regular fishing boats that used to pull up here on this floating dock, and used to be able to go out on a half day, 3/4 day boat for fishing. You used to buy your tickets right up here. Way back in the day, there used to be a seafood restaurant just on the opposite side of this buoys on the pier here. And way up there where it was green, used to say seafood in white lettering. And over here was the old bait shop. They used to have like a little pump out here with anchovies. The remnants of that still here. Over here is a little closed off area. Belongs to the bait shop there called Buoy still. It used to be used for quick service dining, but now it's just empty. And up there is the Port of LA, Port of Long Beach. All the shipping containers go in and out all throughout the country there. Have you been here before? Let me know in the comments below. What are your memories of this place, or in Long Beach in general? Going back, and we're talking almost 20 to 30 years ago, there used to be a floating barge way out in that area on this side of the breakwater, of course, and you used to be able to take a boat that used to dock right over here real fast, jump on, pay a fee, and you used to be able to go fishing way out there and catch a slightly bigger fish like your sand bass and your mackerel and bonita and occasionally barracuda. It'd be fun to come out here one day and do what's called magnet fishing, and it's where you get this big neodymium type of magnet and a heavy duty rope, toss it out there and see what you can pull up that's magnetized. There's all kinds of treasures out here in this water. heron, some sort, blue heron maybe. Something different. This here, that's a receptacle for tossing in your old fishing line and hooks so they don't end up in the water. Fish cleaning stations. So hey, if you like today's walking tour and you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below. Give this video a nice like and thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm share this video with many more people like you and more from throughout the world. Hey, thanks.